Here's the cutting station. Today is the for the headlight date. This is the F30. You see the F30. One by one we see that. One by one we see that. Go to see the detail. See this. New one. See, new one. And here's the get special light. Focus. BMW LED. And here, see that BMW. And back wheel. Let's here. Let's shake it. See any sound? Oh, it's here. See, texting, detail. Okay. This is one pieces. We have another one. The one is this one. You see this one? You see the detail. Special, see that detail. And you see this picture. See, we shake it. No, this sound is from here, from the buckle. There's both these two buckles. We press the buckles. No sound. It's a cutting station. Headlight.